Alright, what's going on, everybody? Here's the new water here that's going in today. I'll show you where the other one's going to go. Come out of. So here's the one that's going to come out. Little short guy. Here's the piping for it. That valve's going to stay. This main valve's going to come out. Get the power still on to it. Disconnect that and cut that off. Got a new pan. This one doesn't have a pan. I got the power off too right now. I always want to double check it. Make sure the power's off. You don't want to get shocked. It's not that fun. Alright, so here's the wires we got. Black and red. Make sure everything's off. Even if the breaker's off, you still want to double check it. So something that I do that helps out is I put this retainer ring back on it just a little bit, and also wire nut it. That way, for some reason, if somebody does kill the or turn the power back on, the wires aren't hot. You never know once you go back to the truck if somebody turn it on or something. So just be careful. Still a lot of water in there. I'll let that drain out a little bit. Let it stop dripping before I can solder it. Alright guys, I just brought this water heater outside. It's still full of water. And I gotta drain it outside because there's so much sediment in the bottom that it won't drain. There's no floor drains in there, so hopefully I can get it outside. Take this cap off. This thing that drained down some. I'll go put the other heater in while this is draining out. A lot of water on there, so it'll come out. Still nothing in there. See all that sediment built up? That's why the water's not coming out. A little bit. Oh yeah, it's coming, it's coming. I just have to break it off. Let the pipe cool off by itself. Don't put a rag on it. It'll mess the solder joint up. Pay attention, you might learn something today. So hold on. Just let it cool down. Alright, and see all that flux? We're gonna wipe that off so your solder doesn't go everywhere. Want a clean joint. You can use a vise or channel locks, something. Let that sit up. Don't touch it. Don't put flux on it. Just let it be. I'll wipe it off in a second and you'll see what it looks like. Nice clean joint. Alright, here's the first pipe I did. I'm letting it cool naturally. See how it looks? I'm gonna take a damp rag and wipe it off. You can see the difference in a second. Let it cool naturally. Don't mess with it. The solder, if you do it correctly, it'll have a shine to it. Wipe everything clean. So if you know how to solder, it'll look like this. Nice clean joint. No runs. Alright, let's wipe this one off and see how that turned out. So yeah, let it cool by itself. Look at that. Pretty much perfect. Alright guys, that's all done. That's what it came out to be. The solder joints. Valve. Let you draw the hook back up. Pans in there. And clean up a little bit and head on out.